Adam, by the scriptural information we have, is said to have been molded before now. It is said that God now breathed the breath of life into the statue of Adam for it to walk as a man. And that is to say that man was once a statue. Man is a statue. So, if you want to discover self, the first thing you will see is the statue of yourself. And that statue is always mighty, is always gigant, that is the statue of yourself. When you see that statue, your eagerness to know what that statue means or who that statue is the finding of yourself. And when you find that self, you will now realize how mighty you are. You will now realize how powerful you are. You will now realize how strong you were made and what abilities that can be found in your person. By that, you will now understand what we mean by the patriarchal order of the elders. The patriarchal order of the elders, who have the right to mediate between light and darkness, who have the right to mediate between dead and the living. So, it is not by the authority of a priesthood or by because you are being called into that office. It is express duty of the elders. So, not the elders in the Melchizedek order, but the elders in the patriarchal order. The elders in the patriarchal order. So, it is time for we to begin to put together those ingredients, those materials, those things that we need to fix the statue of Biafra. Until we begin to see that statue, we will not understand what it stands for. I want you to see that statue. I want you to understand that statue. By the time you see that statue, you have seen yourself. And by the time you see yourself, you will now understand the light that propels your living. Then you will find that God. I wish you well. Follow our pages. Subscribe with us. Like what we do. Ask us questions. Comment where you think we have faulted. And we will be glad to step further with further proofs to help you know that you have brought only the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Mobs may combine, armies may assemble, the colonies may defame, but the truth about the independent state of Biafra will go nobly, unstoppable, until AMADIOHA must have accomplished his work. I know this to be the truth, and I share it with you, in hope and in expectation that one day you will remember that I, Dr. Charles Chukwuemeka Amanze, High Prince Ugochinyere AMADIOHA Imo, have once testified unto thee that this will be.